Hi guys, Brendan Lay here again from Naked Real Estate, and today I have the pleasure to present Sharon's beautiful horse property here at 24 Palomino Place here in Champion Lakes. What makes this special is right next door is Palomino Park, where Transitions Riding School runs from, Riverside Pony Club and also adult riders. So you just have to tack your horse up and literally walk next door. No need to hook the float up. Let's go inside and have a look. This stunning colonial built 2013 home has plenty of room and living spaces for the whole family. With 3 good-sized bedrooms, a great master and ensuite with walk-in robe, and then there's a separate TV or theatre room. With an open-plan kitchen, family meals, that becomes the focal point of the house, leading on to a beautiful patio area outside. There's nothing to spend, inside or out, on this property. Just move in, unpack yourself, the kids and the horses, and enjoy living. Guys, I haven't seen a horse property this well set up in a while. There's 3 great brick stables here, lock-up tack room, as well as to my right, loads of parking for floats and 4-wheel drives, and any horse gear that you have on top of that. There's also 8 fully fenced and re-ticked paddocks, as well as a full 60 by 20 river sand dressage arena. Apart from the wonderful horse facilities, the one thing I really love about this property is the wraparound verandas all the way around the home. Just give it that beautiful country feel. As you can see guys, we're at the end of a long hot summer and the paddocks are still really green. That means it has a really good water supply and a really good re-tick system, which is very important for your horse upkeep. Remember, we are on with select date sale, so make your viewing appointment promptly. We look forward to seeing you next time. Bye for now.